So we got this situation to integrate. Let f of x equals 7 times 10 power 8x. Okay, let's write down this question. F of x is 7 times 10 power 8x plus 7 times 10 power 6x minus 3 times 10 power 4x minus 3 times 10 power 2x. Okay, then the correct expansions is r. So look at this, you have to integrate x times f of x in the limit 0 to pi by 4, x times f of x in the limit 0 to pi by 4. So this is your question number 1. So if you will solve question number 1, you can figure out the answers in between a and c. Okay, now look at question number 2. You have to integrate f of x in 0 to pi. You have to integrate f of x in 0 to pi by 4. So again this is second question. So if we will solve one of them, we can judge between the option B and D. So it is not 4 questions, rather it is 2 questions. And what I feel that B and D can be solved easily because it is carrying less number of functions. Okay, so let's try to crack down this question. Now my point is, before integration we should simplify this expression because it is so much cancerous. So, and also you know that while integration you know that we are like comfortable with 10x. We used to convert our question in 10x, and if you observe this question, the question is in 10x, so it is good, correct na? And also we used to try to create sec square x, correct? Now let's simplify things. So if you will observe, the first component and the second component both are carrying 7 and 10 power 8 and 10 power 6. So can I take 7 times 10 power 6 common? We will be left with 10 square x plus 1. Similarly, I'll be taking 3 times 10 square x common. We will be left with 10 square x plus 1. And you know that 10 square x plus 1 is nothing but sec square x. So can I take 10 square x plus 1 common? We will be left with 7 times 10 power 6x minus 3 10 power 2x and then sec square x. Now we are good to go with the integration. Means we are handling question number B and D. So let's integrate f of x. So okay, integrate f of x from 0 to pi by 4 dx. Let's write down the question. So it is 7 times 10 power 6x minus 3 times 10 power 2x and then sec square x dx. Now you know that we will be integrating this function and we will take 10x as z. So we will have sec square x. Okay, so what we'll do, we will take a z as 10x. So dz by dx equals sec square x. Now we can apply the replacements. If you will observe the limit, if you know that if you will take anything as z, your limit will change. Okay, so my point is, if you will substitute 0, okay, so tan 0 is 0, okay, and then pi by 4 is 1. Comfortable? Now so it will become what? 7 times z power 6 minus 3 times z power 2 dz. Now let's do the integration. So if you will do the integration, we will be left with whom? We will be left with 7 times z to the power 7 by 7. So 7 got neutralized. We will be left with z power 7 minus z power 3 by 3. So 3 and 3 will get neutralized. We will be left with this. Okay. So this is 0, this is 1. Suppose that we are not comfortable in z. Why I am telling you this? Because later we have to go with x times f of x. So I want to find out the integration with respect to tan only, trigonometric thing only. So I will be again replace those values. So z was 10x. So 10 power 7x minus 10 power 3x. Now again the limit will change 0 to pi by 4. Comfortable? Now let's do the simplification part. So we got integration as I'll rewrite things. So it is 10 power 7x minus 10 power 3x with the limit 0 to pi by 4. Okay. So if you will put the upper limit, you know that what we'll do, we will put upper limit different and then minus lower limit. So if you'll put upper limit, this thing will become 1 power 7 is 1. This thing will become 1 power 3 is 1. So 1 minus 1. So this is the upper limit minus lower limit. If you'll put 0, 10 0 is 0 minus 0. So this thing gone. So we are left with 0. So integration of 0 to pi by 4 f of x dx is 0. So option B is correct. Now we have to handle x times f of x. Okay, in the same limit 0 to pi by 4. Now be super slow and look at it was a and c. So integration from 0 to pi by 4, it is x times f of x dx. Now you know that here we will be applying integration by parts, and we used to take that function as first function whose differentiation is easy. So you know that differentiation of x is easy, and you may say that, sir, I can write down f dash x as the differentiation of f of x. But you also know that the integration, the function whose integration is easy, we used to imagine that as the second function. And recently you guys have calculated the integration of f of x, and you own the result as well, so you can utilize, no. So we will imagine f of x as the second function. So first function, integration of second function minus whole integration, differentiation of first function, integration of second function f of x d of x. First this function will be integrated, then it will come over here. Okay. Now you know that integration of f of x was what? It was 10 power 7x minus 10 power 3x, है ना, minus integration of dx by x is 1. Now integration of f of x is what? 10 power 7x minus 10 power 3x. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. The main task is to integrate this function, because the first function is already integrated. Correct na? So you also know that if we are handling trigonometric function, we used to rely on tan function, है ना? And we used to take z as tan function only. Correct? So look at here, we will first simplify things. So can I take tan cube x as common? We will be left with 10 power 4x minus 1 dx. Now here I can apply a plus b, a minus b, and a plus b will become, because it is a square minus b square, and a plus b will become sec square x plus 1. That we, sorry, 10 square x plus 1. That thing will represent sec square x. Correct na? So x 10 power 7x minus 10 power 3x minus 10 power 3x, and then 10 square x minus 1, and then 10 square x plus 1, which is sec square x dx. I hope you guys are okay with these steps, these manipulations. Okay, so x times 10 power 7x minus 10 power 3x minus, this is 10 power 5x minus 10 power 3x, and then sec square x dx. Again, you know that you will take 10 as z and you will get sec square x as dx. Correct na? So we will integrate x times 10 power 7x minus 10 power 3x minus, look at the integration of 10 power 5 is what? You know it will be 10x will be taken as z. So it is z power 5. Z power 5 integration is what? Z power 6 by 6. So can I write 10 power 6x by 6? I don't want to take z and then manipulate. Rather, I want to go with this situation. Then 10 power 4x by 4. Okay. So this thing plus integration constant we got. Now we have to apply the limit 0 to pi by 4. Let's simplify things. So if you will apply the upper limit, this thing will become 1, this thing will become 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Means first component is 100% 0. Now, if you'll put upper limit, this thing will become minus of 1 by 6 plus of 1 by 4. Now, if you'll put the lower limit, again this function will become 0 and this also will become 0. 0 into 0, 0. Tan 0 is 0, 0 power 6, 0. So here also it will become 0. So answer we can find it from this situation. So it is 12 minus 2 plus 3. So answer is 1 by 12. So integration of x times f of x when the limit is 0 to pi by 4 is 1 by 12. So the option A is correct. I hope you got the idea, you got the approach, and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.